Hey, I'm Kevin, and I help business owners build AI assistants to scale faster while eliminating expensive subscriptions in the process. I helped our most recent client do exactly this, which resulted in $1.65 million in opportunity value in under 3 months, which I'll detail in this video. See, his construction company was at a crossroads: either continue with small family home renovations or break into larger commercial projects. He was also building out a second branch for development, and for those who aren't in the construction or real estate industries, his business was basically looking to purchase commercial buildings and entire sections of multifamily properties to improve, own, and manage. He chose our services because we could offer and implement easy-to-use tools that quickly multiplied his sales efforts without the need for hiring on new salespeople or purchasing even more expensive subscription software, as he'd already spent hundreds of dollars for access to some, such as a construction bidding service. After applying only two of our methods to his business, he was able to bring in over $1.6 million in opportunity value in just under 3 months in an industry that typically boasts profit margins around 20 to 30%. His business went from having to rely primarily on outreach from his sales team to receiving interested customers literally in a matter of hours. After employing one campaign with some basic automation and in a small batch of only 30 to 50 emails, his business had a restaurant owner call him within a couple hours and another real estate agent reach out within 10 minutes asking for a complete remodel of a commercial property. Another key to his business's quick results was how fast he was able to draft proposals, which contributed to landing a larger commercial client and follow-on opportunity. What we've done is taken that success and turned it into a set of AI assistants that takes that work already made easy and almost completely automates it using Make.com and ChatGPT. Whereas similar subscriptions can cost hundreds of dollars each month to use, the cost to run custom AI assistants on Make with ChatGPT typically comes out to the same as a coffee or maybe even two from the local barista. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're interested to learn how you can work with us to get the same results as our last client, you can click the link in the bio, or if you're watching on our website, click book a call to get on our calendar.